Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome to France now, actually. We've just landed in France on the Eurotunnel. I'm in a Range Rover, it's a brand new Range Rover. It's absolutely gorgeous. We are going to Barcelona. We're gonna be spending most of the day today in Paris, and then we're heading down towards Toulouse, into Andorra, then to Barcelona. It's gonna be a load of fun. We're here with Chelsea. We're actually doing a film like the journey to Barcelona with Chelsea Football Club. So I'm gonna leave their channel link in the description. A little bit nervous, but mainly excited. This is gonna be an incredible week. Well then, we've arrived in Paris. We've got a large crew with us today. I'll show you the vehicle in a second. Just doing a little bits, pieces for the film, and it is absolutely pouring with rain. I'm not allowed to get my leg wet, and I'm in the middle of the road. So yeah, here we are. Here's the crew. Hello everybody. Oh, I sneak in the back here. I have to go right leg first. Did that go well?
Yeah.
Perfect. So a lot of the stuff you're going to see in the vlog, particularly today and tomorrow, is going to be behind the scenes for the stuff we're shooting for the film for Chelsea. So you guys are pretty much going to get to see what it's like to be in Europe in the middle of March, trying to get a load of scenes outside when it's pissing with rain. Alright, still in the back of this van. Main reason is leg room. I can fully extend my leg. Whoa, bro. We're in let's say maybe like a slightly rougher end of town. It's all going on behind me, all going. Check out the camera we're shooting on. It's the Red Dragon. How much is this rig worth, roughly?
No, it's 25.
25 grand.
Stand out the way.
Yeah. Just a little £25,000 worth of camera equipment. Not gonna lie guys, it's a little bit chilly. It said 13 degrees in the car. I think someone is having us on. This is ridiculous, look at that rig. Alright, we've changed locations. We're back in towards the centre of Paris again. We're gonna go and see if we can get some shots of anybody really just playing a bit of football. The whole idea behind this film that Chelsea are making is actually to try and bridge a gap between just being a football travel piece and being something that's obviously related to the fact we're going to Barcelona, but also the fact that the joy of following your team away or just doing anything really, the travel aspect of the whole thing is what makes it. And nowadays, obviously, it's so easy just to fly, jump on a plane, go to Barcelona. You could probably go in the morning and maybe even, you know, fly back after the match at night. Whereas we're leaving on the Monday, we're going to make a whole week out of it, the whole road trip thing. It's awesome. I'm enjoying this, going backwards and forwards, and there are some people playing football right here. Good finish. Guys, what is going on with this dodgy Barnet FC look going on right now? So this right here is the street where we are getting the intro shot to the entire film. Not sure why. It's just a standard Parisian street, really. So this is cool. Oh,
I'm in the film business, guys.
here we go.
Business, guys.
Crew are going crazy. Right, have we got it, or are we still? Right then, welcome to Paris. Day one, stop number one on the 1,337 kilometre journey from Stamford Bridge to the Nou Camp. I think we nailed it. Well, if you see the film and the first shot wasn't here, we didn't nail it. If you see the film and the first shot was down this street, then we nailed it. Alright, we're talking about another shot now. We've got another football pitch, of course. I mean, this is kind of a football trip after all. The Eiffel Tower is up there. You can just about see it. Wait. What am I doing? Oh, there's a tree in the way now, for goodness sake. The Eiffel Tower is there. That's the Eiffel Tower. So the aim of the game is to try and get to the other side of this pitch. Obviously we've got big cameras and everything, and get the incredible shot of the five-a-side match going on. I'm hobbling still, guys, with the Eiffel Tower in the background. So my job is basically just to turn up and rock up in front of the camera. But what I like to do with these kind of shoots, because one day in the future I'd love to be producing as well as presenting sort of my own films, documentaries. So I try and give my input at all times, even if it's completely like against what is wanted, just so that I've got that like creative process flowing all the time. Alright, this is what we're going for. What a spot for a bit of five-a-side, eh? Yes, Paris. I've been to Paris before for footballing reasons. Paris Saint-Germain away, when John Obi Mikel scored that goal from the corner. We've also got the first game of the Euros, which was pretty incredible. It's class. It's not actually five-a-side at all, it's actually an 11-a-side game. Oh my word. Okay, it is now 3 in the morning, so almost 24 hours since we left last night. This is hectic. This is what road trips are all about. Getting some sleep when you can. And I have got a perfect double bed. I'm gonna charge all my gear over on that desk, and I'll catch you guys in this hotel room. Alright guys, good morning. Today we are going to head to Toulouse, it's quite difficult to say that, to pick up Steve Booker. You guys know Steve, you'll see him in the vlog later. Then we're going to go to Andorra, which is going to be a load of fun, before heading towards Barcelona tomorrow. So we've got a load more exploring to do today, quite a bit more driving to do as well. Let's hit the road. Rumour has it, Steve is in the Aerogare terminal. Arrivé. How's it?
Oh, cool, man.
How you doing, Brie?
Nap, you know?
Little nap again?
Yeah, how you doing?
How long have you been here?
4 hours.
I'm sorry on behalf of myself and everybody here.
It's alright, I'm ready to get on the road.
Let's go then. Would you like me to carry this bag, Brie? All of the crew are just there, micing up Steve. I'm actually mic'd up right now. I'm gonna get a shot of us walking out of the airport. Even though we've already done the like introduction, we're gonna like fake it a little bit. Sometimes you need to sort of set up the shots in order to get what you want out of the film. Which is the nice thing about this, is because I don't really need to structure these part of the vlogs. What are these guys doing? I keep feeling like they're trying to interrogate me. But we're trying to get all of the shots that we need, and when we get to Andorra tonight, we're still about 2.5 hours away from Andorra. It's about 2:30 now. Can't see it very well, but we're supposed to arrive in Andorra at 17:57, which for those of you who don't work in 24-hour clock, that's almost 6 o'clock. Oh, Steve and I.
There's going to be a lot of that.
There is going to be a lot of
I'm not
jokes.
this small. Let me just stand up, bro. Also, which side can I bang? Not this side.
No,
your left side.
Let's
good.
go. If you go there.
There you go.
There you go.
How cropped is that camera? Also, I
Very.
look so like pale. Old Hobble on Cassidy over here.
It's actually really hard to walk, guys, and when the terrain is a bit like crumply bumpily.
Excuse you.
Yeah.
Are you actually
It's
okay?
difficult. No, I am fine. It's better for me to walk than it is to actually sit in the car. We are heading through the Pyrenees Mountains right now. We're heading towards Andorra. It's its own very small country between France and Spain. As I said before, never been there. But this is getting really, really beautiful. You can actually feel the temperature change as well. It's getting a bit colder. There's a nice little stream. We're going to try and take some photos, and the crew are coming behind us.
I was going to ask a question, because your camera's so cropped I have to get right close to you.
It's okay, Brie. Let's
Use your long arms, bro. There you go. I mean, not up there. I was going to ask you, how does this compare? Because obviously you started in London, right?
Yeah.
So how has it been terrain-wise and scenery-wise going from like Paris to obviously here in Andorra? Are we in Andorra right now?
No, we're close.
We're close. Okay, we're nearly in Andorra. But also, have you been to Andorra before?
Never been.
Neither have I.
No,
First
never been.
of us on this
Another
road
country
trip.
to tick off.
Cool.
Yep, nice. I think the thing is, like, we've got a beautiful country in itself, but it's very flat.
Yeah.
And a lot of France is also very flat.
Yeah.
And it's only when you get down towards either the south or the
Very diverse.
east that you start to get like these mountainous areas.
Yeah.
So if you look around us right now, this is getting super hilly. This is still France, and then Andorra is obviously like in the Pyrenees Mountains, and then we head into the north of Spain. And we're only one day away now from like this very point of me talking. By this time tomorrow, we should know the teams.
Get yourself in that tyre and then have a little slid down. I can't even say it.
A slid down. Temperature update. It's gone from 15 degrees to 5. It's a little bit nippy. Steve, what have you done?
Well, you know what this is for? Legit though, right?
What this?
So you can see the depth of the snow.
Yeah. It's not very deep though, is it?
Guys!
What's happening, guys? Tyson, mate.
What's going on, guys? Tyson here. I've hit the gym 15 times today, mate. I'm tired, man.
Yeah, I think together we've got problems.
Also, look at my potato head here, bro. Look at that.
Yeah, mate. Just give me a minute. Steve, mate, what do you think of this place?
This place, mate.
I like it a lot, Steve.
It's great. It's just blasted cold. It's
very good. Guys, my hand is shaking. It is literally 0 degrees. Tell us, Jack, what does it look like?
It's looking pretty sweet.
Good.
That looks like my GCSE B&T.
Wait, Andorra. Oh my.
That really hurt my hand.
Yeah, let's get a better one, Brie. We can get much smoother. Oh.
Really hurt my hand.
Don't leave me.
So a good one, mate.
That was a good one.
Listen to this, bro. Nobody's. Andorra, you're not ready.
Andorra, are you ready?
Andorra.
Oh, yes.
How's it, guys?
All right, bed. We're heading towards Barcelona. Today is obviously match day. We've been doing a road trip from the King's Road to the Camp Nou. Very, very excited. In terms of predictions, not giving any predictions so far, so I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to say 1-1, extra time, and because we've come all this way, my heart is saying to follow my heart. My head is saying follow my heart. Hey? Extra time, my head is saying follow my heart. 2-1 Chelsea, Alvaro Morata to score the winning goal.
4.5. I can't do the numbers.
4.5 hours. Hours. Guys, we are in the bus. We have wrapped the film. It's being edited and uploaded. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll leave a link top of the description. I haven't seen it yet myself, but I know it's going to be amazing, so check it out. I'm nervous now. Like, I'm at the point where it's all about the game now, and I have no idea what's going to happen. I think we're going to do it. There's little, like, things in the air, Steve, that are telling me.
Okay, predictions now. Score.
1-1.
No, I think 2-1.
Chelsea?
Yeah.
That's a good answer. I'm going to say 1-1, 2-1 in extra time. Love you just the way you are. Guys, what do you reckon to this hair, though? Yeah, okay, guys, I've showered, got the kit on, not the full kit, just the shirt. Heading now towards the Camp Nou. This is getting really real now. We're about 2.5 hours away from kickoff. Gonna do a quick interview first of all with Chelsea TV, which is gonna be fun. Steve is joining me, mate. You excited?
I am excited, man. Like,
Good.
this journey has all amounted to this now.
Yep, we're in the taxi on the way to the Camp Nou. I've been before. It is a pretty phenomenal stadium. Atmosphere was pretty appalling when I went last time, even though Barcelona won 6-0. But we're sat in obviously the away end tonight as Chelsea fans. Servida, por favor. Tastes really nice actually. I'm in like a bit of a mode right now where I'm trying to switch off from camera mode to enjoy the game. Bumped into Mr. Kieran. Mr. Jack Heyman.
Trying to stay grounded.
Good.
But everything in my mind is telling me Barca are going to win 3-0.
Yeah?
So I'm trying to forget about that and just enjoy my beer.
Score prediction, Heyman. What are you saying? Score prediction.
2-0.
2-2. That's perfect. And then Sevilla away in the quarterfinals.
I would love that.
So would I. Nice and warm in April. South of Spain. Yeah.
No, one goal still levels the whole time. So.
Alright, we are 2 minutes into the game. And Messi has now got his second goal of his career against Chelsea Football Club. 24 minutes, 2-0 down, 3-1 down on aggregate. Need to score twice just to win on away goals, let alone them scoring again. It's Messi. You can do two things with Messi. Give him too much respect and he'll still score, or you dive in and leave it with the last man and he's always going to score.
It's 2-0, it's a banging goal from Dembele, to be fair, but we're playing okay. That's the worst thing about it. We just got caught. There is still time. There is still time.
Thank you, Kieran. We needed that optimism. Right, there's 17 minutes to go. We're 3-0 down. Game's over. Tie's over. We're out of the Champions League. Messi is the best footballer ever. That's it. I actually don't have anything else to say. That's a tough one. You know, we're in the taxi on the way back. I don't normally like to leave football matches early, but I actually left early this evening just because of my leg, mainly trying to get out of the ground before like all of the mad rush. I left with like 8 minutes to go. We're 3-0 down. We've lost completely. We weren't really showing anything. I really don't know what to say, to be honest. I think it's easy to like start scapegoating individuals or managers or anybody. But Barcelona were just far superior. They were incredible. Messi, 2 great finishes. Maybe Courtois could have done a bit better. I don't know, I've not seen the highlights yet, but Messi's just so good. And if you give him, there's 2 things you can do with Messi which make it all go wrong. And the one thing you can do could go wrong as well. You give him too much respect, he's gonna run through you. You lunge in, he's gonna run past you. If you don't do either of those 2 things, you give yourself a little chance by staying on your feet and tracking him for as long as you can until you can actually like feasibly stick a foot in and maybe win the ball. He's so good, so good. Barcelona deserved it, well played. I've never really liked Barcelona since that 2009 game at the Bridge. I do think they get away with a lot of decisions in the Champions League in particular, but I'm not going to use that as an excuse. They were by far the better team, well played, and it's sad, you know, European football, next season it's looking like the Europa League, the way it's going in the league with Spurs being in good form. What do you think, Steve?
It's a shame, but I think it was always their game, unfortunately.
Yeah. Tough ask.
Early goal and dominated from then on. But then we had good attacking. It was just finishing, really.
Yeah.
Was the problem.
Yeah.
But
I think that's been the problem for both legs. We get into the positions, couldn't score. Willian hit the post a couple of times in the first leg. We don't concede that goal from a poor defensive error. It could all be different. It's all what ifs. And in life, if you focus on the what ifs a little bit too much, you dig yourself into a rabbit hole and you can't scramble out of it too easily. So on that note, I'm going to wrap up this video now. Well done, Barcelona. Good luck to the rest of the English teams in the tournament. And yeah, catch you guys next time. If you haven't yet seen the film, I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's incredible. The road to Barcelona. King's Road to Camp Nou. Didn't end the way we wanted it to, but it's been great. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye-bye.